how to buy Bubblemaps token. So this token came under the symbol of BMT. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rules of crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefit. Check them out in the description. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is now it's available on MEXC. So if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in the description. We'll be able to find a referral link. Go and create an account under it to benefit from rewards and fund it with some USDT. Now, how to buy this token on MEXC? So go and log into your MEXC account like that. So after you log into your MEXC, now go back to their page on X. And now copy the symbol of that token called BMT. Now go back to your account on MEXC. On the search, paste the symbol token as you can see. So we'll just type on it again. So now as you can see here, if you click on the all, you will be able to see this pre-market. Now click on it. So as you can see, they said here the Bubblemaps is coming soon. Now you need to read that information here to be able to participate to buy this token. So this is how to buy the Bubblemaps token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.